Hi, kids. Have you ever stopped to think about how a tiny seed can grow into a tall tree, a colorful flower, or even a delicious fruit? Plants are truly amazing. They turn sunlight, water, and nutrients into life. Today, we're going to explore the secrets of plant growth and uncover an incredible process called photosynthesis. Along the way, we'll learn how plants use their roots, stems, and leaves to grow and thrive. So, let's roll up our sleeves, grab some seeds, and dive into the magical world of plants. Every plant starts its journey as a seed. Seeds might look simple, but they're packed with everything a plant needs to begin growing. Inside each seed is a tiny, undeveloped plant called an embryo. Surrounding the embryo is a protective shell and stored food called endosperm that will nourish the seedling as it grows. Seeds come in many shapes and sizes. Tiny poppy seeds are as small as a grain of sand, while a coconut is one of the largest seeds in the world. Every seed has its own unique way of growing, but they all need the right conditions to sprout. To grow, seeds need soil, nature's nutrient-packed home for plants. Soil isn't just dirt. It's a mixture of minerals, organic matter, and tiny organisms that create the perfect environment for seeds to sprout. The soil provides support, holding the seed in place, while also supplying water and nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which plants use to grow strong. Without healthy soil, plants wouldn't have the foundation they need to begin their journey. Planting seeds in the right soil is the first step toward watching them grow into healthy plants. Water is the key to waking up a seed. When you water a seed, it absorbs the moisture and starts to swell, breaking open its hard outer shell. This process, called germination, allows the tiny root to grow down into the soil and the shoot to reach up toward the sunlight. Water also helps carry nutrients from the soil into the plant. Without water, the seed would stay dormant, waiting for the right conditions to grow. That's why keeping your seeds moist, but not too wet, is super important. Once the shoot emerges from the soil, the plant needs sunlight to grow strong and healthy. Sunlight provides the energy plants need to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants use their leaves to capture sunlight and combine it with water and carbon dioxide from the air to create energy. The more sunlight a plant gets, the more energy it can make to grow leaves, flowers, and fruit. That's why plants always lean toward the light. They're soaking up energy from the sun. Photosynthesis is the amazing process plants use to make their own food. Here's how it works. Plants absorb sunlight through a green pigment in their leaves called chlorophyll. They take in water from the soil through their roots and carbon dioxide from the air through tiny holes in their leaves called stomata. Using the sun's energy, the plant transforms these ingredients into glucose, a type of sugar that provides energy and oxygen, which it releases into the air. Without photosynthesis, plants wouldn't grow and we wouldn't have the oxygen we need to breathe. Roots are one of the most important parts of a plant. They anchor the plant in the soil and act like straws, sucking up water and nutrients that the plant needs to grow. Roots can grow deep into the soil to find water or spread wide to cover more area. Some roots, like carrots and beets, even store food for the plant. Roots also have tiny hairs on them called root hairs, which help absorb even more water and nutrients. Without roots, plants wouldn't have the stability or resources they need to survive. Stems are like highways inside the plant. They transport water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves and flowers, and they also carry the food made by photosynthesis from the leaves to other parts of the plant. Stems can grow tall and strong, like the trunk of a tree, or stay short and flexible, like the stems of a flower. Some stems, like those of bamboo, are incredibly strong, while others, like those of strawberries, help the plant spread out. Stems are essential for keeping plants upright and delivering everything they need to grow. Leaves are like little kitchens for plants, where the magic of photosynthesis happens. They're designed to catch as much sunlight as possible, with wide, flat surfaces that maximize energy collection. Inside the leaves, chloroplasts filled with chlorophyll work hard to convert sunlight into energy. The leaves also have veins that carry water from the roots and transport the sugar the plant makes to the rest of its body. Leaves come in all shapes and sizes, but no matter what they look like, they're always working to keep the plant alive and healthy. Over time, with the right amount of water, sunlight, and nutrients, seeds grow into plants. Some grow into flowers, others into trees, and some even give us fruits and vegetables. Did you know that plants give us oxygen to breathe? They release oxygen during photosynthesis, making them very important for all living things on Earth. There are so many types of plants. Some grow flowers, others grow fruits, and some even live underwater. Each plant is unique and special in its own way. Plants are amazing because they give us food, wood, medicine, and even clothes. Next time you eat an apple or sit on a wooden chair, thank a plant. To keep plants healthy, we need to water them, give them sunlight, and keep the soil rich with nutrients. Taking care of plants helps keep our planet green and beautiful. Plants do so much for us, from giving us food and oxygen to making the earth a beautiful place. Let's take good care of them and appreciate the magic of plants in action.